Hi there. I'm back from my run, and it's time to share with you about Motivate and Activate. That's the new program I've been hinting about, and it's time to begin. And I've chosen the perfect time to launch it, the week of my birthday. Our first Motivate and Activate, the weekly conversation and coaching call, will be held the day before my birthday, and I want you to share in the celebration. Now, I would like to offer you some cake and ice cream. Hard to send that over the internet. So instead, the entire first month of Motivate and Activate is my gift to you. I want you to try before you buy. Let's see if you like it. And when you do find out that you like it, you are going to be amazed at how inexpensive it is. No, I'm serious. I know everyone says that, but this really is that inexpensive. For 4 hours a month of coaching with yours truly about whatever the blog of the week happens to be, and you get some input on that one, you're going to invest a ridiculously low $50 a month. No kidding. Anyway, read what's on this page, would you please? And sign up for your free month of Motivate and Activate. Come and share, come and listen, and find out that this is the place to be on Thursday nights. As soon as you sign up, you'll get an email with all the information. Can't wait to see you. Bye-bye.